From baby jumping in Spain to onion wearing in New Year's Greece, these are 10 real cultural traditions that might surprise you. Fact 1. In Castrillo de Murcia, Spain, men dressed as devils jump over newborn babies lying on mattresses, believed to cleanse them of sin and bring protection. Fact 2. In Kawasaki, Japan, the Kanamara Matsuri celebrates fertility with parades, giant sculptures, and candy shaped like, well, you get the idea. Fact 3. In Derbyshire, England, people compete in toe wrestling championships. Rules are similar to arm wrestling but with feet. Fact 4. The Cooper's Hill cheese rolling in Gloucestershire involves chasing a 9-pound, or about 4-kilogram wheel of cheese down a steep hill. Fact 5. In Lopburi, Thailand, locals throw a banquet with over 4,000 pounds, or about 1,800 kilograms of fruit for the town's monkeys. Fact 6. In Greece, onions are hung on doors on New Year's Eve to symbolize growth and rebirth. On New Year's Day, parents tap their children on the head with one to wake them up. Fact 7. In Oaxaca, Mexico, locals carve giant radishes, sometimes up to 6 inches or about 15 centimeters long, into elaborate scenes for a one-night festival. Fact 8. La Tomatina in Buñol, Spain, is the world's largest food fight. Over 120 tons, or about 109 metric tons of tomatoes are thrown in a single day. Fact 9. During Taipusam, some devotees pierce their skin, tongue, and cheeks with sharp objects to show devotion and endurance. Fact 10. In parts of China, Thailand, and Laos, the New Year is celebrated by drenching each other with buckets of water, believed to wash away bad luck. From racing cheese to feeding monkeys, the world is full of amazing traditions. Which one would you try? Comment below, hit like, and share. This is the Random Fact Factory, feeding your curiosity, one fact at a time.